Hi, Jackie.
Guess what?
What's that?
We got it approved, girlfriend.
Aw, thank you so much, Jackie. I really appreciate all your hard work.
Oh, no problem, hon. That's what we're there for. She's gonna send it to me today, though, right? Because we have to get that paperwork completed. So I'm double checking that you're coming. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take care of it today for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, hon. Have a great weekend. I help clients decide which is the best option for them, whether it be a consumer proposal or a bankruptcy. How you doing?
Good news?
What?
Me and Cody are paying off our proposal.
No way!
Yeah, both of us.
Yay! Oh, that's awesome. You guys are gonna have the greatest life. Wow.
No debt now.
This is the perfect job for me because you help change people's lives every single day. Hello? Hi. How you doing, hon? Hi, it's Jackie Stanley. I'm just returning your call. I'm Jackie Stanley from David Sklar Associates, and I'm an administrative assistant. Mama,
What?
are you almost ready?
Well, I got stuff laying around out here.
Well, you're gonna have to leave it out because I gotta get ready for work. We gotta go soon.
Never time for nothing with her.
What do you have to get at the grocery store today?
I need vegetables.
The celery's so expensive. Don't buy that.
If I want it, I'll get it.
I know, but
Are you going to pay for it?
no.
Okay.
Okay, Mama. My mom lives with me. She's 82 years old, and she does everything in the house.
Did you pick up your lunch?
Yeah, I got it. Thanks. I tease my mom a lot, and I'm always at her about the cost of things because she is on a small budget. Just remember, budget when you do the grocery shopping, okay?
I'm going to.
I know.
Yep.
Yep. Here we go with the yep. That's when I know you're not listening to me. My mom inspired me to be the person I am today because I watched her bring her 6 brothers and sisters from Nova Scotia, care for them, dress them, provide for them, and I just seen the compassion from my mom, and that was transferred to me and made me so compassionate to my clients. So how's things been going?
Unbelievable,
Yeah?
unbelievable, yeah.
Do you remember when you first came in? Remember I was sitting there telling you about the proposal and the bankruptcy, and all you kept on saying, no bankruptcy, no bankruptcy. I don't want the bankruptcy, I want the other one.
Yes, yeah.
And then we
the
went
proposal,
through
yeah.
the process, we
Yeah.
went through the application.
Yes.
You were just, you could see you going from this.
Yes, you wake me up.
Asil's an amazing woman. She came to me the first time and she was devastated. The financial burden had really taken its toll on her.
I was facing 2 disasters in my life, death and divorce, and
Yeah.
then ended up with debt, like huge debt. And then you are the person who saved my life.
When I was in debt, I was like, my situation, I can't even describe it. I feel like I'm about to cry when I'm describing it, really. Because of that, I came to Jackie, and then she walked me through the steps. I find it easy to follow, and then I got the discharge from the proposal. Done.
The reason for my visit is I have one of my friends, she wants to do the same thing. She asked me about how did I start the credit proposal, what was the steps. So since it was very long time for me, I can't remember the steps. So could you please explain? And if there is any form, anything that I can hand it to her, that will be very nice of you.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the application. I'll go through the application with you. I'll highlight the spots that I want her to fill in. I'll give you the checklist.
Okay.
And you can take it to her along with the brochure.
Okay.
And that will give her an idea of how the consumer proposal works. Because the consumer proposal doesn't impact you quite as hard as the bankruptcy. Okay?
Yeah.
Consumer proposal is a great option for people that are in a bad financial situation. It's short-term pain for long-term gain. It allows them to bulk all their debt into one payment so they know what their monthly payments are every month and they know when it's going to be done. So there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So what you can do is you can give her all of this along with my card and just tell her to give me a call, and I'm more than happy to
Thank you very much.
deal with her.
Thank you very much, Jackie.
You're more than
Thank
welcome.
you.
You look awesome.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
And you
Thank
better keep on coming and visiting me.
Yeah.
Okay.
bringing some business.
Sure, I like that too. You know, I'm always open for
Businesswoman.
business.
Thank you very much,
You're
Jackie.
welcome,
Thank you.
sweetie.
Thank
Have a
you.
great
Thank
day.
you.
It makes me feel really good when a client comes in and they keep coming back, or they'll call me just to say hi. And then I know I've done my job properly because they've moved on. That makes me feel good.